Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce customer acquisition costs with Leadpages easy tutorial step by step clearly. To reduce customer acquisition costs with Leadpages, begin by logging into your Leadpages account. Navigate to the dashboard and click on the Create New Landing Page button. Choose a template that aligns with your brand and marketing goals. Customize the template by adding your logo, changing colors, and adjusting text to match your messaging. Incorporate a strong call to action that encourages users to engage with your offer. Utilize the drag and drop editor to add elements like images, videos, and forms to enhance your landing page. Ensure that your landing page is mobile responsive to capture leads from all devices. Set up an email integration to automatically collect and manage leads. Preview your landing page to check for any design or functionality issues. Once satisfied, click Publish to make your landing page live. After publishing, use lead magnets such as free trials or ebooks to entice visitors. Promote your landing page through targeted online advertising on platforms like Facebook and Google. Utilize A/B testing to compare different versions of your landing page for maximum effectiveness. Monitor analytics to track visitor engagement and conversion rates. Analyze the data to identify areas for improvement in your lead generation strategy. Make necessary adjustments based on your findings to further reduce customer acquisition costs. Continue to refine your approach, focusing on what works best for your audience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.